Hey there, Feng Shui enthusiasts! Are you ready to unlock the secrets to financial prosperity? Today, we're diving into the world of Feng Shui to discover how simple changes in your home can lead to a wealthier life. Stick around, because these tips might just change your financial future. First up, let's talk about the entrance to your home. Did you know that your front door is the gateway to wealth? Make sure it's clean, well-lit, and free of clutter. This invites positive energy and opportunities right into your life. Imagine your front door as a magnet for prosperity. Adding a touch of nature, like a healthy plant or a crystal, can amplify this effect. These elements symbolize growth and abundance. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Now, let's head to the wealth corner of your home. This is the far left corner from your entrance, or from the compass direction it is southeast corner. Enhance this area with symbols of wealth, like a bowl of coins or a small water fountain. Water represents flow, and we want that cash flowing in. You can also use colors green and blue to enhance the wood element of this area. Remember, it's all about creating a space that feels abundant. The more you nurture this area, the more it will nurture your finances. Let me share a quick success story. One of our viewers, Priya, decided to revamp her wealth corner with these exact tips. Within a few months, she not only received a long-awaited promotion, but also saw her side business flourish. Priya's story is a testament to the power of Feng Shui in transforming financial fortunes. Finally, let's talk about your workspace. A cluttered desk equals a cluttered mind. Keep your workspace tidy and organized. Use colors like green and gold to stimulate creativity and attract wealth. And don't forget to position your desk so you can see the door. This gives you a sense of control and readiness to seize opportunities. These small changes can make a big difference. So, are you ready to invite prosperity into your life? Let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more Feng Shui insights. Until next time, may your home be filled with harmony and abundance.